Hi everyone, Charles from Ion Books here. As you know, from the 1st of July, Payday Super is here in Australia. That means when you process your payroll for your employees, you'll also need to pay their superannuation at the same time. The old process of paying superannuation at the end of the quarter or every 3 months is gone forever. MYOB has recently made some changes to make this process a little bit easier. So during this video, I'm going to walk you through how to process Payday Super within MYOB AccountRight. So how do you get started? Well, right from this screen here. So you finish processing your employee payroll and you should be on this screen here. So to pay the superannuation for that, simply hit the Pay Superannuation button. MYOB will then bring up the Pay Superannuation screen, and by default, it will show you all of your outstanding superannuation. Now, if you're up to date with Payday Super, you should only see the superannuation from the payroll you just processed. There are some filter options here as well to filter for certain dates, but again, if you're up to date with Payday Super, the only outstanding superannuation you should have is the super from the payroll you just authorized. Now, if you accidentally exit this screen here, you can get to the same section from the command center by hitting Payroll and Pay Superannuation. So when you get ready to pay it, simply select everything that you want to pay and MYOB will give you a total on what that amount is. Now for this example, I'm actually just going to pay one of these superannuations right here. So when you're ready to pay, hit the record button down in the bottom right hand corner here. Now, if you're not the authorizer, if you're just preparing this, you can actually click no on this and just let the authorizer know that it's time for them to jump into MYOB to authorize the superannuation batch. And what they would do is they would jump into payroll here and select manage payments. They will then see the batch that you just prepared so that they're ready to authorize it. So in that case, double click here and authorize the superannuation payment. I would enter in the username and password, and then MYOB will send them an SMS. Now live, as quickly as that, there we go, I've gotten the code from MYOB. Type in the code and select authorize. And that's it. Payday Super is done. MYOB will debit your bank account and distribute all those funds to all of the relevant super funds on your behalf. Normally takes about a 24-hour process. As you can see, it's a fairly easy flow that's built into your existing payroll process. I hope this video has been useful for you. Over the coming weeks, we'll be releasing more videos on how to fix Payday Super errors that may pop up from time to time. So please like, subscribe, and turn notifications on for our channel so that you get notified when we release those videos. Thanks for watching. Cheers.